Hi everybody, this is a demo for the Barton Musical Circuit's BMC65 3 input 4 output logic gates module. I've got a patch set up for this. This is another one of those 4 HP modules where it's just jacks, so you need a little more in order to show you what's going on. But this is set up for an AND type logic gate right now. There's a few different CMOS logic chips that are pin for pin compatible, so you could swap that chip out and have this be an OR or a NAND or a NOR or an XOR. And yeah, it has 3 inputs, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4 outputs are 1 and 2 combined, 2 and 3 combined, 1 and 3 combined, and then all 3 combined. And the way all 3 are combined is it's input 3 with the output of 1, 2 get combined together. So that works pretty well for OR and AND, but when you are using this for XOR or NAND or something like that, you can get some outputs on 1, 2, 3 that seem pretty counterintuitive. I have another module that's going to come out later that it'll work better for those. It'll be a different arrangement where it's 4 inputs and 3 outputs. But yeah, so anyways, the patch that I've got here for y'all is an LFO is getting sent to the binary divider, and that's dividing it down to the divide by 2 and the divide by 8 outputs, and those are both getting sent to the AND to 2 of the inputs, and then the third input is coming from the this button over here from the manual voltages module. And then so the 1, 2 output and the 2, 3 output are getting sent to these 2 drums. So the faster of the 2 clocks is being ANDed with both the slower divided clock and with the button. So we should have a steady, kind of slower beat, and then I'll be turning off and on the fast beat as I press this button. And so, yeah, this module is a way to kind of, you can synchronize clocks and find a lot of different little uses for it where that you might not have other modules that do this kind of stuff in your system, or if you have a lot of different combinational logic that you want to do, having it in these like smaller channels can be a little bit easier on your system. And also, once again, I'm using the Unity mix. I wasn't planning on using this for all the modules that I was doing demos for today, but I've just not unplugged it yet, and it saves room in my system for doing simple patches like this where it's just 2 drums where I would usually have them at the same level anyways. But yeah, so I'll turn it on and you can hear. Thanks for watching.